This is for your information. That's puppet law. It's on YouTube. Google search it. Look at the videos. Long before I got locked up in 2011. I was making a movie and a documentary about the Democratic Party and the money y'all make. We talking about the new face of old Jim Crow. Nothing more, nothing less. Ain't no law against making a movie. It's covered under the Constitution. My First Amendment right. Social media for social change. I'm ignorantly intelligent. Alright? I'm a high school dropout. But I got street knowledge. I ain't never been to college. I've been to college. I could run classes on y'all's asses. That's the 2021 Weaver Award winner. Alright? I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. That's P.O. Box 38, Waukegan, Illinois. I went home on vacation, came back on probation. That's the Department of Justice in 2008. Tampering with mail is a federal offense. Alright? Now I gave this to Scott Shellenberger, Greg Bernstein, in the state of Maryland. Alright? Because I was fighting for my freedom. That's the Department of Justice in Chicago, Illinois. Sent from a correctional facility. Like I said, I'm a whistleblower. I'm a whistleblower on the courts. See who got that? Ben Cardin's. Barack Obama asked for an investigation. That's my lawyer, Thomas Saunders. See that? I fired my lawyer and defended myself. Contact James O'Neill, Jailhouse. Alright, Adam May, WJZ. Y'all got to play that whole tape. Martha Marshberg. Contact her too. Contact Richard McFeely of the FBI. Special Agent Richard McFeely on Ambassador Avenue. See that? That's when I was locked up in Baltimore. It's my legal mail. A legal notice. Circuit Court for Baltimore County. State of Maryland versus Dwayne Davis. Custodial records. Thursday, 29th day of September, 10 at 9:15 a.m. Alright? Y'all took my property, my truck, my computer, the contents of my vehicle. It was worth $250 million. That's my claims department. Because y'all ain't gave me a day in court yet. That's the claims management. Feel me? Claims management. 2/7/2011. That's how much money y'all owe me for that. The truck was worth $5,000. The material in the truck was worth. That's the contents of my vehicle. And y'all got that. That's legal notice and legal papers. Like I said, I was making a movie about the prison industry. That's Falls Road. That's 2007. And that's WJZ. Kai Jackson, Mary Mubala, Vic Carter. That's parole and probation. Alright? That's Dwayne G. Davis. Y'all got to play this whole interview for the public, for the voters for 2022. Everything that y'all got since 2006, you're going to have to play for the public. Everything you got, parole and probation. You feel me? That's Shorty, pull your mask up. But first we're going to do this. That's Delegate Smith. You got mail. Yeah, you got mail. Delegate Smith got mail. That's State Attorney Marilyn Mosby. She got mail almost a year ago, long before she got indicted. That's the Department of Justice. All right. That's Governor Hogan. To be the best, you got to beat the best, and y'all ain't beat me yet. I beat you in court, and I beat you in the streets. I beat you wherever I see you. You feel me? You got to have a federal investigation because mail was stolen and mail was taken. That's a federal investigation. That's President Biden. President Obama asked for the investigation. See the mail receipts? Y'all signed for this. Mail room. Delegate Sheila Roof is a witness. She going to testify in front of a grand jury, whether it be in the state or the federal court. She going to be there. That's State Attorney Marilyn Mosby. She got to produce that evidence. 7/31/2021. That's Marilyn Mosby. Shielding corruption is against the law. We got to cancel corruption and we're going to end it. It'd be in her best interest to turn over this evidence It'd be in her best interest. Then she can show the corruption in the state's attorney's office. She can show the corruption in the federal courts. It's legal mail. I'm a whistleblower. See the date? 8/23/2000 at 1:53 p.m. I'm a visitor. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. He got it. Almost a year ago. March 10th will be a year. See that? That's Eric Barron, the Department of Justice. That's Chief Justice Mary Barbera in Annapolis. Alright? That's Brian Frost, the Attorney General. He done had it since 2016. Brian Frost been knowing about this since 2014. Brian Frost been knowing about this since he was Senator or Delegate Frost. Like I said, from Waukegan's worst to Baltimore's best. We getting ready to open up the book on this, so we don't have no misunderstandings. Brian Frost, I asked for criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. These are the charges, right there. That's the criminal charges. Shorty, you pull your mask up? No, we getting ready to unmask Baltimore. That's a community in crisis. Community in crisis. All right, y'all that want to tell my side of the story, but Clippinger, you seen me yesterday. Community in crisis. Inmate property report. You stole property from me in Illinois, and you stole property from me in Maryland, and that property had to do with the parole and probation. It had to do with the witness. It had to do with the whistleblower's application. That's Roland Martin from TV One, Radio One in Chicago. All right, on 87th Street, Chicago. That's the Baltimore Sun. Pam Woods, Justin Fenton, Tim Fuentes. Yeah. The Baltimore Sun, the Baltimore Brew, Fern Shin, 98 Rock, 92Q, Franksky, the Big Fat Morning Show. Everybody that knew about this. And that's the Legal Defense Fund. All right. Defend, educate, and empower. All right. That's the State Board of Elections. When I was running for office, I wouldn't just run in my mouth. That's the United States Supreme Court Guide for Prospective Indigent Petitions, Writ of Certiorari. All right. That's Dwayne G. Davis on Falls Road. Davis versus Illinois. All right. That's 2007. 2007. Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. I gave y'all a shorty program. I gave y'all a shorty program. I gave you social, economic, political, medical, environmental, and members needed. 16 to 106. I gave you careers, not jobs. I gave you careers, not jobs. Medical calling, medical health and medical construction, business, real estate, horticulture, visual and performing arts, political involvement, photography, journalism, technology, law, sports, and cultural exchanges. That's the shorty program. The world is watching. I'm going to give them something to see. Community in crisis. Y'all say y'all want programs? Well, my program works. Y'all locked me up for having this program work so good. That's Gov.O'Malley. He approved the program. See that? Thank you for your informing me about your upcoming fundraising event initiative, Get Shorty. The Get Shorty was a movie. Get Shorty, right here. That's Governor Schaefer. That's Vicki Lawrence from Mama's Place. And that's Sam Cassell's. All right? Everything's right here for everybody to see. Get Shorty. Get Shorty. And you got more shorty than you could stand. That's 2017 Grand Jury Judge Cox. If you had knowledge of what I was doing, that means that you had participated in the fraud. Because if you're an officer of the court, you're supposed to report that. You see that? That's an officer of the court. That's your laws that you broke. That's mail theft and vandalism. All that mail that y'all got to turn in. Shorty's Catering. Baltimore's Best, 1999. That's Senator Hardin's. In regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. Yeah, I was making a documentary. So the world can see what being black in America is. So they can see the shit we go through. That's brother insurance. I was insured. You feel me? I was insured. Terrorism Risk Infrastructure Act, 2002. My policy didn't expire until 2007. 2008. That's when I signed it, and I had a whole year on that. So it didn't expire till 2008. Nobody can work that policy. That's my policy. That's Governor Blagojevich. If Blagojevich can go to jail, yeah, other people can go to jail. All right? Ceasefire program. Bank CEO gets probation before judgment for the Baltimore gun indictment. Yeah, Ed Hale. This is Exhibit 3. Special Agent Jason from the FBI in Illinois. This is the case, 07CF, State Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. All right. The NAACP got that. Benjamin Jealous had this. The ARDC got this. This is Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. Dear Justice Roberts, this is a letter informed you and closed the 2010 elections, including the phone call. All right? You got that? I was locked up in Illinois and in Maryland and labeled a terrorist because I blew the whistle. You feel me? Federal and levels. Grand jury. I'm a whistleblower. I'm a whistleblower in the courts and the criminality in the courts. I'm a whistleblower on Scott Shellenberger. All evidence submitted to your office. And that's my Department of Justice number. I'm a whistleblower on James Calabrese from the State Prosecutor's Office. All evidence. All right? I'm a whistleblower on Giles, WJZ. All right? I'm a whistleblower on Chief Johnson, Baltimore County Police Department. Received in the States Attorney's Office. All right? Recorded. I'm a whistleblower on the Chief Criminal Investigator, all right, services. See that case right there? I'm a whistleblower, and y'all received this. Paul Ballard from the Attorney General's office. That's the Attorney General's office. You received that in 2014. Dwight Pettit. Judge Papaya, Judge Turnbull, Judge Souter. That's the School of Law, first floor, Department of Justice. Whistleblower, case number. Received, States Attorney's Office. That's the Baltimore Sun. Pam Woods, Justin Fenton, Tim Fuentes. The Baltimore Sun, now the Baltimore Banner. Y'all can't change newspapers because the FCC rules gonna apply. The shielding law ain't gonna protect you because we're looking at a federal investigation from 2011. Toilet bomber. Y'all made them statements. That's Justin Burke, Christian Schaefer, Roosevelt Lethwitz, Mike Marion, Richard Scher. All videos and legal material. That's the State's Attorney's Office. That's my doctor, plus he's my customer. He did the evaluation on me, and he gonna testify on my behalf. That's the case number. That's the Baltimore Sun Chief Editor. All legal material, all right? That's the case number. Department of Justice. That's WJZ. Everything that WJZ got, everything that WBAL got, everything that Fern Shim from the Baltimore Brew, y'all got to put in front of a federal investigation. Yeah, a federal investigation. That's Mike Shue, Gigi Barnett, Stan Saunders, and Adam May. That's Kai Jackson from Fox 45, Karen Parks, and Stephen Janis. Stephen Janis used to work for Fox 45. Then he went to the Real News. So we can tell some real truth. Certificate of identity. You feel me? That's a certificate of identity. Waukegan, Illinois. That's where I'm from. And this is my whistleblower's application to Mr. Barron. So we don't have no misunderstandings. Eric Barron, whistleblower Scott Shellenberger. That's Chief Judge Mary Barbera. That's Brian Frost. And that's Clippinger. Clippinger sat under judiciary. I got a one-on-one with Clippinger and he still ain't opened his mouth. Art and activism, the art of protest. I don't get no justice, you ain't gonna get no peace. I want Scott Shellenberger disbarred and criminally charged. And that's the criminal charges right there. 2022, grand jury to the Supreme Court. I'm an indigent. I'm homeless. Justice applies to me. Shorty, pull your mask up. We're gonna shine the light on you too. To be the best, you got to beat the best. I'm still standing. What are you?